How to move your business into the metaverse. The metaverse still sounds complicated to many. However, for a few people, there is a gradual paradigm shift for the internet. Some people are confident that the future is here with metaverse. With the recent trend about the metaverse all over social media, while big companies are turning to invest millions of dollars, are you considering whether you should move your business to join metaverse? Good idea? Make sure to watch this video till the end to find out. What do you think of these opportunities? Let us know in the comments below this video. Can the reality of the metaverse live up to the hype? The metaverse has been in existence before now, but it wasn't this popular until Facebook decided to rebrand as Meta. Since Facebook rebranded, Metaverse has gained more popularity and debate began to fly around whether investing in the Metaverse is worth it or not. Or maybe it is another premium ticking scam time bomb. Whatever your doubt is, Metaverse is here to stay. Welcome and thank you for watching a new video from NFT Rewind. We also have an NFT Rewind Instagram page with daily posts about NFT art, Metaverse, and NFT-related rewinds. Follow today. Our Instagram link is in the description. Welcome and thank you for watching a new video from NFT Rewind. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. The Metaverse first appeared in 1992 in a science fiction novel called Snow Crash. It has been discussed as the next phase of the internet in the past few years, with big brands like Facebook and Gucci taking the lead. In addition, celebrities are fast joining the trend as they try to host shows with their fans worldwide. Does that ring a bell? Yes, that is how important the Metaverse is fast becoming. What exactly is the Metaverse? If you have been following our videos, you should know what the Metaverse is by now. If not, don't worry, we've got you covered. Metaverse is an online experience that is highly immersive, such as augmented reality, or AR, and virtual reality, or VR. To better understand the Metaverse, each entity that constitutes the Metaverse does that independently with its own access, monetization rights, membership, and formats of creating its own expression. This allows widely varied business and technical specifications. The experience is unbelievable and takes the online user experience to the next level. It creates an entire world where people can socialize, experience mind-blowing entertainment, and conduct business activities. Some features that are part of the Metaverse are gaming. If you are a gamer, the Metaverse is for you. Gamers now use avatars to sort virtual adventures. Other than playing games with pads, you will play more exciting games with virtual characters. And more gaming platforms are being introduced for gamers to earn while playing games. Virtual property. A lot of people still think the idea of having a virtual land is bizarre. But millions of dollars are spent over pieces of land in the metaverse depending on how traffic flows in specific areas. You couldn't expect the land where artists perform, or big brands to buy land and build similar to other places. NFTs. Non-fungible token is a digital asset such as a work of art, logo, gaming asset, photograph, or any other virtual token. The blockchain-powered NFTs solidify the cryptocurrency presence. Most gaming assets can be liquidated into cryptocurrency. NFTs are usually purchased using cryptocurrency and can be very valuable. A lot of businesses are already shaping the landscape, especially with entertainment and gaming companies taking the lead. Some central console and PC games have decided to take things to the next level, now that you can play games and earn while playing. An example is Fortnite by Epic Games. This game allows individuals to create a community that makes gaming more fun. Newer gaming platforms are gradually emerging, such as Roblox. Roblox will enable users to create and play across an immersive world with the possibility of monetizing what they started. Decentraland is an entire 3D virtual world owned by users who are allowed to create virtual structures such as theme parks and galleries. Users are charged to visit them, powered by Ethereum blockchain technology. Some other companies, such as Meta-VRse and Unity, are attempting to create engines to power brands and gaming studios to foster the development of AR and VR content creation. The Metaverse environment offers endless opportunities for consumer-facing companies, not to mention a lot of options for retail employees. There are plenty of business applications. A good example is the leadership of a tech company called NVIDIA, which believes in investing in metaverse simulations of logistics and manufacturing to help reduce waste and foster better business solutions. Also, Microsoft is positioning its cloud services to be the fabric of Metaverse by using a mesh platform for avatars, with immersive spaces to thread into the collaboration environments in the case of Teams. With post-COVID, remote working environments are becoming more critical to connect with their people and their customers. It is crucial for companies waiting on the sidelines to balance the risk-reward equation, and doing so needs grasping their possibilities. And companies leaning in fast should try to offer both inspiration and test cases. Some companies are taking advantage of the gaming part of the metaverse with branded experiences with immersive virtual sponsorship. Nike is a 5-star brand to say by rating, and the brand is leading the charge at the end of the metaverse spectrum, creating a place for virtual goods, as reported by CNBC. Nike acquired a company recently that is called RTFKT, which makes virtual sneakers for everyone on Metaverse. The commercial application of the Metaverse is growing day by day. New behaviors surround buying products and services directly from social experiences, which is also known as social commerce. The rate of social business is becoming a more significant percentage of U.S. e-commerce over time. It was projected to reach up to $35 billion in 2021, following the growth patterns like China. In contrast to the conventional internet context, the metaverse advances the concept of improving the internet for people to connect better and buy stuff in 3D with virtual showrooms, fashion shows, and dressing rooms. Not just that, people aren't selling physical goods. As a matter of fact, Sotheby's, for example, declared its own metaverse gallery, which is for curated visual arts in Decentraland. This will bring about new models for influencers' virtual goods, including NFTs. Not to mention that commerce for physical goods purchased in virtual worlds will be important as capability scales. If you plan to bring your brand to the metaverse, you should be in test and learn mode, particularly intellectual curiosity. The metaverse is here to stay and is the future of the internet. Either sooner or later, you will have to learn about the metaverse. Sitting on the sidelines for too long will not be the best option in the long run. So here is what brands should do. Pick your targets. Do your research about how much time your target audience spends in the metaverse, and calibrate your speed of attack appropriately. Best advised, focus on young demographics. Get to know them or have an idea of who are your demographics, and what behavior is trending with your current at the moment with them. This indicates how fast to move into the metaverse. Observe the competition. Pay close attention to the competition. You could start by watching what the big companies are doing, or peer companies. You could create a champion for these topics to bring approachable, tangible examples from every meeting held to discuss the competitions with your team. Look for applications. See, Metaverse has not only bringing new possibilities or opportunities to you, but also seeing how it can foster your purpose in the long term, especially for your company or brand, like sustainability, which will suit many applications of the Metaverse. See it from a viewpoint that what can you pilot in the metaverse that allows you to test more sustainable approaches to serve your purpose for your company better. Keep your plans open on entering the metaverse. Your team must formulate plans towards you launching or joining the metaverse. It will be of benefit to get consultancy from people who have been following the recent trends and are experts in them. If you find yourself in brand marketing or leadership roles, it is best to advise you to start thinking about being creative, especially with storytelling. If the creative palette expands dimensions in the metaverse, then we should be happy to create experiences at any point in the case of the customer journey, to engagement, to a transaction, customer support, which have the potential to be spectacular. Sometime in the future, we will likely want to move from fundamental to virtual world seamlessly. Please share your views about that in the comments below. If you did like the video, do like and subscribe. If you enjoyed watching this video, then there is a good chance you will like one of these 2 videos on our channel. So click one of them right now. If you are watching from your mobile device, you could view the following video by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment below. If you don't want to miss any further NFT, Metaverse, and crypto news, then subscribe to NFT Rewind.